Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back to our channel, Drunken Engineer, where earlier we used to share real-time interview experiences, but now we have started sharing intraday trading videos. So today, in this video, I'll be talking about the trade that I have taken and what was the logic behind it and whether we got profit or loss. So was till the end. So today I have taken trade in MGL, like which is Mahanagar Gas Limited. So my setup was this, like here this candle, if you talk about 1050 candle, or this candle taken out the day's high. So as soon as it has taken out the day's high, it went up, but again it closed above the day high. So this was the new high that was formed, and this was the closing. So this was my setup. So as soon as the day high was taken out, I have entered in this candle around, like in 1055 candle I have entered. So my target was here somewhere around 1420, and my stop loss was this range, like if you talk about this 1395. The reason for stop loss was here. If you see the stock was struggling for some time, like half an hour or 25 minutes it has spent. So again it has given a breakout, then again it has retested it. So to be on safer side, I also kept the same stop loss, but unfortunately the stop loss got it. And the reason for keeping the stop loss, sorry, profit at 1490 was, if you go on 15 minutes time frame, and if you see here, so my initial target was this, like 1423. But before that itself, I decided to, like here, somewhere around here, I decided to keep my target because I was very much I was very much confident that it would definitely touch this, but it would close above this. But unfortunately, like, the stop loss got hit. And always respect your stop loss, whether you respect your targets or not, but always respect your stop loss. So the stop loss was taken around 1050, like 1 hour of trade we have done, like around 1055 we have entered and exited at 1050 candle, and it went a bit low. Then again it has retraced so it was the day, again it came back and touched the day high. And if you talk about Nifty, there was a great one side rally here. Hardly we'll see like 900 points rally. It was a great rally. And talking about my position, so overall, around 10% of loss I have incurred, and 1800 was the rupees in terms of rupees. And if you see, this was at 1057 I have entered, at 1047 I have exited. So this was overall trade, today's trade. I hope you enjoyed it.